What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Eye Candy. In this week's video, I have the pleasure of working on this 2015 Corvette Stingray. So let's just dive into that repair. So this Corvette got backed into, and it appears to need a fender. Has a little bit of minor damage on the hood, some damage on the front bumper. It needs a headlight, and I don't think there's any suspension damage, but we're just gonna have to tear into this thing and find out what's truly going on with it. So let's just dive into this thing, get it tore apart, get a spray out card done, and keep charging forward. So jumping into putting on this inner fender well, I looked at the procedures, and they actually want you to leave little spots of this glue on the frame rails and where it attaches to space the inner fender well out properly. So I'm gonna do my best to do that. It also said if it all comes off, to use paint sticks, basically clamp it all down, and then fit your fender, headlight, all that good stuff. Make sure that you got it right before you glue it. and then let it be clamped. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm trying to leave spots in critical areas that will make the biggest difference. So let's just jump into that and see if we can get this knocked out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next week, I'm hoping to finish up this Corvette, get it out the door, make it look awesome. But until next time, we'll catch you later.